Many retail and triple net commercial real estate deals are set to fail, but not because the opportunity is bad. They fail because the deal is not packaged clearly. A buyer sees a few scattered numbers, a basic flyer, an incomplete rent roll, and no clean story. And instead of digging in, they move on.
That is exactly why we created the Retail Triple Net Strip Center OM Kit from Template Revenue Co.
This is a done-for-you commercial real estate deal marketing system built for brokers, wholesalers, investors, owners, and agents who need to present opportunities professionally. Inside the kit, you get more than 25 documents and tools designed to help you package a deal, from first look to full buyer review. The core of the product is the Offering Memorandum template. Its structure is used by top-performing real estate investment companies, with sections for the executive summary, investment highlights, and tenant profile. So instead of staring at a blank document, you can start with a professional structure and customize it around your property. The kit also includes a full editable and PDF BOM template. This is helpful when you want a fast, fillable version of the package, with placeholders for all your key deal data and tenant info. For retail and triple net deals, the tenant story matters. That is why this kit includes a tenant profile template, lease abstract summary, and demographic trade area pages. These sections help buyers quickly understand the asset, the tenant, the lease structure, and the location. You also get a financial workbook built specifically for retail and triple net deals. The workbook includes tools for rent roll organization, lease abstract inputs, pro forma NOI, WALT scheduling, and buyer tracking. This gives you one place to organize the numbers before presenting the deal to your buyers. Another important part of the kit is the blind buyer teaser. In commercial real estate, you do not always want to reveal the exact address or tenant name in the first message. The blind teaser helps you introduce the opportunity and qualify interest before sending the full offering memorandum. That teaser-first workflow is simple. Gather your property info, create the blind teaser, and send it to qualify interest. Then, request an NDA if needed before sending the full package and supporting files. This kit also includes buyer outreach scripts, due diligence checklists, and builder guides for Canva and PowerPoint. The goal is to help you move faster, look more professional, and avoid rebuilding the same deal package from scratch. This product is ideal for single-tenant triple-net properties, strip centers, QSR deals, retail pads, and shopping centers. It is especially useful for commercial brokers, wholesalers, and investors who are moving into commercial real estate. To use the kit, simply download the files, fill in your property details, customize your package, and export your package. If you are tired of starting from scratch every time you package an opportunity, this kit gives you the structure you need. Download the Retail Triple Net Strip Center OM Kit from Template Revenue Co. and start packaging deals professionally.